For solving this question, let us recall the ratio in which this profit amount, it has to be divided between Ramesh and Suresh. It will be proportional to the amount that Ramesh and Suresh, they are investing in the business. It will be proportional to the duration for which the money that they are investing, it stays in the business. So we can see that Ramesh and Suresh, they started a business with investments rupees 30,000 and 20,000 respectively. We are considering a duration of 1 year. So the duration for which the money that is invested, we can see that it corresponds to 12 months for both of them. Okay, so the ratio in which this 6,000, it has to be divided between Ramesh and Suresh, it will be proportional to the amount that they are investing in the business. Okay, so we can see that the ratio, it corresponds to 30,000 is to 20,000 because they are investing 30,000 and 20,000 respectively. So we can see that that ratio, it corresponds to 3:2. So you have to divide the 6,000 rupees in the ratio 3:2. You are asked to find Ramesh share in the profit. We can see that the antecedent here, it corresponds to that of Ramesh. So we have to divide this 6,000 as 6,000 into 3 upon 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. And we can see that this value, it comes to 5, it goes in this 60 12 times. So it is 1,200 into 3, and that value, it comes to 3,600. Okay, so we can see that out of this 6,000 rupees, 3,600 rupees, it goes towards Ramesh's account. So option C, it reads 3,600, and that will be the answer for this question.